Welcome to our guide on converting Celsius to Fahrenheit quickly and accurately. Whether you're traveling, cooking, or just curious, understanding this process is incredibly useful. In this tutorial, we'll explore why mastering temperature conversion is simple yet essential for everyday life. From helping you adjust to new climates to ensuring your recipes turn out just right, this knowledge is a handy tool in your skill set. So let's dive in and make those Celsius to Fahrenheit calculations a breeze. Get ready to simplify your world with this practical guide. Let's dive into the heart of temperature conversion, the formula. To transform Celsius into Fahrenheit, you'll use a straightforward calculation. Start by taking your Celsius temperature and multiplying it by 9/5, or 1.8 if you prefer decimals. Then simply add 32 to your result. This addition adjusts for the difference in the 0 points between the two scales. Let's put this into practice with an example. Imagine you're faced with a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. First, multiply 25 by 9/5, which gives you 45. Now add 32 to that number, and you arrive at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. This method is precise and easy to memorize, making it a reliable tool whether you're cooking a dish with an international recipe, planning a trip abroad, or just satisfying your curiosity about the weather. By mastering this formula, you're equipped with a valuable skill that simplifies temperature conversion, ensuring you're always prepared, no matter the context. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep this formula handy and try it out whenever you encounter temperatures in Celsius. Now, let's explore a quick mental math trick for estimating Celsius to Fahrenheit conversions. This method is perfect when you need a fast approximation without a calculator. Simply double the Celsius temperature and add 30. It's a straightforward way to get close to the Fahrenheit value in just seconds. For instance, if you have a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, double it to get 40. Then add 30, making it approximately 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, this is an estimate, so it's great for quick checks when precision isn't critical. Whether you're traveling and need a rough idea of the weather, or you're cooking and want a general sense of temperature, this shortcut can be a real time saver. Keep this trick in your back pocket for those moments when you need a quick conversion on the go. Understanding how to convert temperatures isn't just a one-way street. Let's reverse the process and learn how to convert Fahrenheit back to Celsius. The formula is simple. Start by subtracting 32 from the Fahrenheit temperature. Then divide the result by 9/5. For example, if you have 77 degrees Fahrenheit, subtract 32, which gives you 45. Divide that by 1.8, and you'll find it equals 25 degrees Celsius. This method is as straightforward as converting Celsius to Fahrenheit and is incredibly useful when you need to understand temperatures in both scales. Whether you're adjusting a recipe or planning your wardrobe for a trip, being able to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius effortlessly can make life easier. Keep this formula handy, and you'll be ready to tackle any temperature conversion challenge that comes your way. Imagine you're planning a trip to a new country, but you're not quite sure how to dress for the weather. Understanding temperature conversions can make packing a breeze. By knowing how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, you can easily interpret weather forecasts and prepare accordingly. Now, let's talk about cooking. If you've ever tried following a recipe from another country, you might have encountered temperatures in Celsius. Being able to convert these to Fahrenheit ensures your dishes come out just right, whether you're baking a cake or roasting a chicken. Temperature conversion isn't just for travelers or cooks, it's also a vital skill in science. Many scientific experiments and studies use Celsius as the standard unit. Knowing how to convert to Fahrenheit can help you better understand and engage with scientific data, making learning more comprehensive and enjoyable. These practical applications highlight just how valuable temperature conversion is in our daily lives. Whether you're adjusting to a new climate, perfecting a recipe, or diving into scientific research, mastering this skill opens up a world of possibilities. Next time you encounter a temperature in Celsius, you'll know exactly what to do. Keep practicing, and soon these conversions will become second nature. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more ways to simplify everyday tasks. Remember, understanding temperature conversion is just one of many skills that can enrich your daily life and broaden your horizons. As we wrap up our guide on temperature conversion, let's recap the simple methods we've explored. From the straightforward formula of multiplying by 9/5 and adding 32, to the quick mental math trick of doubling the Celsius and adding 30, these techniques make converting temperatures a breeze. Whether you're planning a trip, whipping up an international dish, or just curious about the science behind it, these skills are invaluable. Now, it's your turn to put them into practice. Try converting a few temperatures on your own and see how intuitive it becomes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips and guides. Your engagement helps us bring you more content that makes everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for joining us, and happy converting.